tried out the Quantum sail set today because we've had a few different sails in the river. Today was all about being light because I went by myself and just had the light sails, and we tried out the Quantum Code Zero here too. I've flown a hull before in lots of different catamarans, like beach cats and whatnot, but there's nothing, basically the bigger the boat gets, it seems, the more stable that hull flying feel is. That feeling of flying doesn't feel like you're out of control or that it's twitchy and you could flip over any second. It just keeps getting higher and keeps going faster, and then you can still bear away and keep it in the air. And unreal, like, it was sort of a cross between sailing a really big boat and sailing a dinghy. With this sort of wind, maybe 8 knots max, we're really playing the edge of the wind, trying to find the most pressure. And then when you feel it, you sort of feel the boat take off, literally. And then you get both hulls up, and it just stays there, solid. It's amazing. Yeah, amazing feeling to just have the boat feel so solid at a higher speed by yourself.
Back down to the dock after going out on the dime for a little while. Great day, nice breeze. Hey bro, how's it going? So, how was it today?